Welcome to the analysis world. In this video, I will show you how to install the solver add-in in Excel. So the solver add-in is usually seen in the data tab at the far right side corner. Here you can see the solver add-in. If you don't see it, you need to install it in your Excel. To install it, please do the following steps. At first, go to the file and then click on options. From options, click add-ins. And at the bottom select the manage drop down list and click on Excel add-ins, then click go. This will show up a list of add-ins window, and from here select or check the solver add-in. In my case it was already checked because I already installed the solver add-in. After checking, click on OK. This will instantly install the solver add-in in your Excel. Now if you go to the data tab again, you will see that the solver add-in is installed to be used. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.